Hi class, this is Susiana, and the research question that I have for the final project is, what is the estimated rate of homelessness in the United States in 2020 by state? Now the first thing that I will do is go ahead and launch the Tableau page right here, and I got my information from Statista. I already saved that as an Excel file, so I will go ahead and launch that. Okay, so Microsoft Excel, and this is the file that I had saved right here. Now, as you can see, it is now open in the Tableau homepage. So I will go ahead and click Sheet 1, which is Go to Worksheet right here. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do is create a bar chart. Now, I will have to go ahead and look over on the left side, and then I will drag and drop the information that I need to be populated either in columns or rows. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and drag F2, and this will go into rows. Here you have it, some information right here. The next thing I'm going to drag and drop is rate of homelessness, and this will also go to rows. Now we can see the states that's populated. I want to include the data count right here, and this is the information that I need. I'm going to go ahead and sort it so that it can go from the highest to the lowest. So I will go ahead and right click where it says F2 and then go to sort, and then I'll just go ahead and do descending order. Let's see right here, and then there you have it. So the highest rate of homelessness, this is per 10,000 population, is District of Columbia, and that is showing 90.40. Now, in order to get a different look, I am going to select Format, and then it's going to be Workbook Theme, and then I'll go with Modern. This just gives it just a little more modern look, and I think it's a little bit more polished. So I'm going to change the name. All right, and let's see here. I'm going to change the name of the sheet to Estimated Rate of Homelessness. Homelessness in the United States. I'll just put US for short. This is in 2020 by state. Per 10,000. Oops, sorry about that. Per 10,000 population. Go ahead and hit save, and you can also put this in block. Let's highlight it first, and then I'll go ahead and put it in block letters, and okay. So this is the label of my chart. What I like to do is go ahead and have the screen bigger, and this is going to allow me to use the snipping tool. This is a really helpful tool that I learned during the semester. Instead of trying to save the image from Tableau, I believe that snipping tool makes it clear, and that's what I like about it. So I'll go down here to exit full screen so I can see the bottom of my home page. I'll go ahead and select snipping tool right here. All right, new. And then I'll just go ahead and select everything. and then I will right click, copy, and then I'm going to put it in the Word document that I saved. This is my presentation. What is the estimated rate of homelessness in the United States in 2020 by state? All right, so I will just go ahead and input. Let me scroll down. I'll go ahead and paste it right here. Oops. A little bit of difficulty with that. Sorry about that. So go ahead and paste. Okay, so this is the information. Now, this research evaluates the estimated rate of homelessness, as I said before, in the United States, and it's important to note that this is per 10,000 population. And based on the analysis of the chart in 2020, New York, Hawaii, and California had the highest ratio of homelessness to state population. Washington, D.C., however, had the estimated 90.40, should be 40, homeless individuals per 10,000 people, and this is significantly higher than any of the 50 states. All right, as it relates to the bottom 5 states, these are Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, Virginia, and North Dakota. And since homelessness is so prevalent in the United States, I decided to research some of the reasons to gain a better understanding. And the 2019 article by LifeBridge North Shore, it highlighted the 5 most common reasons for homelessness. These include substance abuse, which this breaks families apart, and it can lead to loss of jobs, which leads to homelessness. And there's also housing costs. It's very expensive, even though it differs by states. Some people earn less than minimum wage, which can cause them to be homeless. Escaping domestic violence. This is one of the most popular reasons because people try to escape their abuser and they have nowhere to go. Disabilities and mental health. When individuals have severe mental illness and is left untreated, they sometimes self-medicate and try to so-called escape, which is, leading to homelessness. And the last thing is poverty. Unemployment or lack of unemployment opportunities can cause people to lose their home or prevent them from being able to afford shelter, thus leading to homelessness. I will go ahead and link the references below. I enjoyed you watching this video. Thank you so much and have a good one.